Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel, so well known as the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I wanted to take the time off in today's video and go ahead and recommend to you guys my top 10 recommendation towards gardening channels. There's so many gardening channels out there, but I narrowed it down to 10 of my favorite gardening channels out there. And so if you want to know every single one of these channels, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So coming at number 1 is Laura from Garden Answer. Laura's an amazing gardener, you guys. She is actually one of the top best gardeners out there in this industry right now. She is super good at gardening. I actually started gardening because I was inspired by her. She's actually my favorite gardener right now. She has a lot going on in her garden. She has a huge house, and so pretty sure she's on a constant roll with her garden. And so she has done so many great things in her garden. It's super amazing, and it's so satisfying seeing the progress it has began from what she started off to and to see what she is right now. And so kudos to her, because pretty sure it took a long time to get to where she is right now. So let's go ahead and move on to number 2. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 2 is Eden Maker by SHIRLEY BOVSHOW. Shirley's an amazing gardener, you guys. She's very funny, very kind. I get to talk to her, and she is super sweet, very kind-hearted, and she likes to help others. She puts others in front of her, which she's an amazing person for doing that, and let her know that she's an amazing gardener her own self. She is on a TV show, I think it's Home and Gardens, and so she has been doing a lot of great things. She's been showing you guys and educating you guys on how to garden, so kudos to her because she's doing an amazing job. So let's go ahead and move on to number 3. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 3 is ERIN from the Impatient Gardener. ERIN's an amazing gardener. She is the dahlia queen from what I know. She is a dahlia fanatic. She knows a lot about gardening. She does everything gardening, meaning she does vegetables, she does flowers, she does a ton of things. And so dahlias is the thing she's mostly well known for, because she grows very pretty dahlias. And so I was inspired by her to grow my own dahlias, and so I'm trying it out this year, and let's see how that goes. And so she's an amazing gardener. She has been doing amazing so far. Her progress has shown tremendously well, and so she's an amazing person, very kind-hearted, and so I would recommend checking out her channel. And so yeah, all of these channels that are going to be featured in this video, their channel link is down below for you guys to check out, so make sure to subscribe to every single one of them. So let's go ahead and move on to number 4. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 4 is Laura from How's It Growing. Laura is a very funny gardener. She always puts smiles on my face when I talk to her and when I see her gardening content, because she's very funny. And she is very funny, but she does do a lot of gardening content and educates her audience members a lot. She knows a lot about gardening. She is very amazing at it. She's a very funny person, very kind-hearted. She knows her stuff, and her progress is also showing amazingly. So she's doing amazing. I highly recommend her. She's very funny, and you'll know what I mean by funny when you get to her channel. So I would recommend checking her out, as well as her Instagram, where she posts a lot. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and move on to number 5. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 5 is Klaus Dabley. Klaus is an amazing gardener, you guys, and he's very well known for his pot gatherings and door entries. I don't know if you have seen, which I'll definitely pop up a photo on the screen of what I mean, because he's an amazing gardener of doing that. He would put in one pot one specific variety of plant and gather them all together, but they blend so goodly together. It's super pretty. And so he's an amazing gardener. He has great plants. He educates his people amazingly, and he just started his own YouTube channel, which is amazing. And so kudos for him for that. His progress is amazing. He's just an amazing gardener in general. I actually met him through Laura from Garden Answer, and so I don't regret following his journey, because he is very inspirational. He shows you a lot of things, and you're like, wow, I want to do that in my garden now. So yeah, once again, number 5 is Klaus Dabley. Let's move on to number 6. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 6 is Linda VATER from Potager Blog. Linda VATER is an amazing gardener. She's all things topiary, which I absolutely love, because whenever I see a plant, I'm always thinking, how can I change this into a tree? And so with her, it's whenever she sees she's an evergreen. She's like, can I change this to a topiary, which I absolutely love about her. She's there. Her channel is very, very like calm and peaceful, and it's like an environment that you want to be in. That's what's gardening mostly about. That every content on gardening, our goal is to make gardening well known out there, and for it to be peaceful and calming, and one of those hobbies that you could do without being stressed, which is what our main goal is. And with her, she like does an amazing job at that. She has an amazing garden. She does a lot of amazing things in her garden. She educates her audience very, very well as her topiaries. I love her topiary. She does an amazing job at that. So let's go ahead and move on to number 7. So ultimate gardeners, coming at number 7 is Yulia from Y Garden. Yulia I actually met this year through her channel, Y Garden. She's an amazing gardener, and so I came across her a few months ago, and so she's an amazing gardener. She shows a lot of good stuff, you guys, and so I would recommend checking her channel out as well, because she educates her audience members yet again amazingly. Once again, she's one of those channels that's like you want to be in, because they're so calming and peaceful. It's like amazing to see her gardening content, and she has a lot of projects at the same time, and she's an amazing gardener for actually accomplishing that. And so she's on a constant roll, which I love about her. She's like, when she's on a project, she doesn't want to stop the project and finish it later. She's like one and go. So that's what I absolutely love about her. She's a hustler. She's an amazing gardener. Her gardening channel is amazing. So once again, all these gardening channels that are featured on this video are down below for you guys to check out. So make sure to go show them some support. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to number 8. So to main gardeners, coming at number 8 is Andrew Nienoff from Gardening Made Easy. Andrew's an amazing gardener, you guys. Very enthusiastic, very passionate about gardening. He is a young gardener, younger than me. He's 12 years old. He started gardening around the same year I did, and his progress in the garden industry has gone up tremendously fast and very, very well. His gardening channel and gardening content is amazing. He educates you guys very well. He knows what he's talking about. And so yeah, if you guys don't know, we also collaborated in creating a new channel together called Sprouting Young Gardeners. That channel is all things young gardeners, where we try to inspire younger generations to get into gardening. And so if you want to go ahead and check that channel out, there's a link down below, as well as Andrew's channel down below for you guys to check out as well. So make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the Sprouting Young Gardeners channel, because we would love to see your support over there. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to number 9. So to my gardeners, coming at number 9 is Seema from Garden a Little. You guys have seen Seema before. She was actually the first person I collaborated with, and so she's an amazing gardener. And ever since we collaborated, her gardening channel has gone up super, super fast and amazing, as well as her Instagram page. And so she's an amazing young gardener. She's actually a veggie gardener, meaning she likes to grow her own food, and that's her goal. And so she does an amazing job at it. She shows you guys weekly garden tours, which I love. She gives you guys progress. She gives you guys everything you need to know about gardening. And so I have another collaboration coming up with her, so stay tuned for that. And so once again, she's an amazing gardener. She's actually a college student as well, so make sure to go ahead and check her out. Support her channel. She's getting close to 400 subscribers, so let's go ahead and help her out with that. So let's go ahead and move on to number 10. So to my gardener, the final gardening channel I recommend is Jessica Kaiser from the Bluegrass Homestead channel. Jessica is actually the very first person I met in the garden industry that I actually got in contact with. She's an amazing gardener. She's very, very sweet, a very busy woman, you guys. And so if you see her not posting too much in her channel, it's because she has her own life, and she's been keeping up with that. And so she's trying her best to post on her channel. And so she's an amazing gardener, you guys. She's actually the first gardener that I actually worked on something with. And so she's an amazing gardener. She actually was the person who gifted me the greenhouse, which I'm very, very thankful for her. She is an amazing gardener, very sweet, very, very sweet person. So make sure to go subscribe to her channel. Make sure to go support her, because she's truly an amazing gardener. She is an all-genre gardener as well, so she does flowers and vegetables and fruits. So make sure to go check her out as well. So let me go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So to my gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, these are all 10 gardening channels that I recommend, because they're truly amazing gardeners, you guys. They truly deserve the absolute world, because they are helping the world become a better place, and They're trying to show and educate younger generations and older generations to garden, and that's amazing. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.